I had one recommendation for any future student at university, I would say be curious, and I think that would be something that won't be very hard, especially here at IE, because there's so many different initiatives, so many different labs projects that you can enroll in and try out, that it won't even be that hard to find something that will suit you or something that will actually intrigue you or pique your interest. It has been something that has added so much to my experience in the university. It will not only make you a better student in the specific degree, but also a better person that is more fulfilled, more complete, because you'll get to learn from so many other people around you, learn what actually interests you from what doesn't. And I think that's something super important for someone who at the end of the day will be graduating and entering the workplace and will have to figure out all of these things about how to work with and communicate with other people, how to deliver an entire project from scratch. I mean, to sum up, I think IE has been more than just a university for me. I think it was more of a launch pad. I think every single one of these initiatives has helped me not only grow academically, but also so much personally. And I think that's something I'm very much grateful for.